Hey everyone, it's Ryan, an instructor over at Wi-Fi U. This week I've been teaching the Unify wireless admin and the routing, switching, and cybersecurity class in Lansing, Michigan. And I want to do a quick video to show you the setups that we have and why you would want to come to a class of ours. What kind of advantage do you get paying to come to a class instead of relying on the good old YouTube University? And one of the first things that you get is you get to actually play with some equipment. So here, this is one of the student setups that we have. It is I've got the U6 in-wall wireless access point over there. It's a Wi-Fi 7 access point that we used for the wireless admin class. It's got the 2.45 and 6 gigahertz radios, and we play with all three of them in class. I also have a UCG Ultra, as well as an 8-port switch. And during the class, we do a lot of hands-on labs. I'm a very lab-heavy kind of instructor. We talk a lot about theory. I have a physics and electrical engineering background, so I can't not teach a class without that. However, I really like to make sure that you get the hands-on experience of actually configuring stuff in Unify. You can see another setup over here. We've got 6 students this week, and so I've got their student gear set up at all these different tables. Yeah, there's lots of wires. I ran out of gaffing tape, don't judge me. But we also bring a good amount of equipment that students can take a look at and also, see, hey, is this sort of stuff that we would actually need for their setup? So for example, here's a 16-port PoE switch, and you can see that it's got the ether lighting on it. It's got all the nice little bright colors. I've actually got the ether lighting set up for VLANs. I've got the students' WAN ports on different VLANs so that we can do some advanced routing today. Today, as you can see up here, we are going to be starting off with a lab with a single area OSPF. So we're going to be connecting all these routers together using a no-kidding hand put in OSPF, and then we'll actually show how to do it using the site magic as well. So you get the hands-on, you get access to an instructor, you actually get to try things out, and if what I say doesn't match, then we're going to find out that real quick. And unlike YouTube University, you'll walk out of here with a lot of confidence and ability to actually configure the Unify gear. So that's it for me. I hope to see you in class. Don't forget to check out our website, wifi-u.com, and you can see all of the upcoming classes, and I would love to see you there. Catch you later.